Welcome back. In this session, let's explore a critical but often overlooked part of retail success, which is property management. Choosing the right store location, setting it up effectively, and managing it properly can make or break a retail's performance. Why property management matters? In retail, location is everything. The best products in marketing would not help if store is in the wrong place. Property management ensures retailers open stores where customer can easily find them, footfall is naturally high, campaign is manageable, costs are justified by potential sales. Think about Starbucks again. The location they opens are strategically malls, airports, and business streets. It's not an accident, but it is a careful property management strategy planning behind. Now, let's talk about some of the key responsibilities which is managed by the team works under the property and leasing departments. They do location survey where they study customer demographics, catchment area analysis, traffic patterns in that area. They do business case preparation, estimating sales potential and return on investment for the location where they are going to open the store, help in finalizing the store and warehouse location in agreement. They help in setting up stores, completing interiors, signage, IT system, and opening readiness. They are responsible for designing and procuring the digital assets as per the procurement policy in the store guideline. Talking about some of the definitions and the models that is there in the retail is COCO, which is company owned, company operated. Apple Store is an example. We have COFO, which is company owned, franchise operated. The store is owned by company, but if it is a franchise, then operated by franchise. We have FOCO, which is franchise owned, company operated. And last, we have franchise owned, franchise operated. So these are the four models primarily used in the franchise model or opening up your own store. Now, going ahead, I want to also put across some view on the KPIs that is being tracked by the property management teams. They are responsible for footfall analysis, the number of stores or customers visiting the stores. They track sales per square feet, the which is revenue generated per square feet for a particular store. They are responsible for store level EBITDA. They are responsible for CapEx required to open a store. In a nutshell, tracking all those key KPIs helps retailer optimize their property portfolio over a period of time. It is not uncommon to close the store as well. Retailers keeps opening the store and also closing the unprofitable store to have a thriving retail model. In short, great retail is not just about what you sell, it is about where and how you sell it. And that's why we call and location makes the retail successful. All right. In the next session, we will continue to look at store operation where the magic of customer experience truly happens. Let's continue building your retail mastery classes and see you in the next module.